Namaskar. It's great to have one day to celebrate your relationship and the person you love. But wouldn't it be better if you could celebrate your relationship every day? Do you want to reset your relationship in a way that it seems like celebration all 365 days? If yes, then do these 5 things. First, don't give up after the honeymoon phase. See, when relationship begins, it's great because there is this romance and excitement of being chosen by someone. But most often, things don't work out after the initial months because we stop putting our effort after this excitement and romance fade away. Remember, attraction is good, but commitment is better. Commitment means that you will be staying with your relationship. Let it flow and let it grow. Next, be in the relationship that you want to be and not in the relationship that others expect you to be. See, many times we choose our partners based on what is expected by us, by our family, our social rules, etc. But one thing that this overlooks is the connection. Connection is what is real. Connection is what matters. And connection is what will turn into a lifelong relationship, not the expectations of others. So never ignore connection for expectation. Next, remember that if you are too busy to be in your relationship, very soon you won't have a relationship to be in. See, like everything else, relationships too need to be cared for. If you think you are so important that relationships don't matter, then soon enough you won't matter to people too. Remember, care, consistency, and communication are the basic, and no matter who you are never too busy for the relationship that matters. Know that you will have to have some difficult conversations with your partner. You see, every couple reaches a point when you will find something that you don't like about your partner. There may also be a point where there are more differences than similarity between two people in a relationship. But real love is about caring for that person, despite all the reason to not care for that. But these difficulties are also doors for you to know your partner better and for them to know you. So, open new doors for your relationship and finally believe in your partner and believe in your relationship. You see, all relationships are more about trust and respect than about anything else. If you only don't believe that your relationship will make it, tell me, how will it work out? So do the inner work. Work on your confidence. Believe that you are capable of making right decisions for yourself and of choosing your right partner. Remember it. When you believe, that impossible can become possible. Namaskar.